Maddie can now start climbing stairs. She is a year and 1 month old. Hi. Oh, she can even go down. Hi, Maddie. Good girl, Maddie. No, James, you stay there. Don't come down, James-o. Oh, she's growling at Pooch. Maddie. Hi. Hi. Go up. Go see James. Did you just go scaring Poochie? Hi, James. Good girl, Maddie. Uh-oh, don't fight. Bravo! Bravo, Maddie. You made it all the way up the stairs. You're not stuck. You can go. Go, Maddie. Say bye-byes.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Maddie made it all the way up the stairs. All by herself.
It's your favorite song. Hi.
Hi.
Mommy.
Hey, good girl, Maddie. Bye-bye.
Favorite song. A zebra.